Imagine waking up and your phone won't turn on. No internet, no electricity, no GPS, no planes in the sky, just silence. This isn't a sci-fi horror. It's a real threat. And now the US government has officially acknowledged it. This is the story of the solar storm that could black out our world, and the terrifying steps already being taken behind the scenes. The sun regularly emits solar flares and plasma bursts, called CMEs. When aimed at Earth, they can disrupt the magnetosphere, which protects us. In mild cases, GPS glitches, radio outages. In extreme cases, complete collapse of satellites, grid, and communication systems. Scientists call the worst-case scenario a Carrington Event. In 1859, the largest solar storm in recorded history hit Earth. Known as the Carrington Event, it made telegraph systems worldwide spark, catch fire, and even operate with no power. Aurora lights were seen as far as the Caribbean. But back then, no internet, no power grid, no planes. Now imagine that storm hitting today when everything runs on electricity. NASA and NO say we are entering Solar Cycle 25's peak from late 2024 to 2026. The sun is more active than expected. In 2023, a massive X-class flare just barely missed Earth. Power grids in Canada and Sweden already experienced minor blackouts from smaller storms. In March 1989, a storm shut down Quebec's entire power grid for 9 hours. The U.S. Executive Order 13,865 and recent 2025 update direct federal agencies to prepare for geomagnetic disturbances. Departments are tasked with hardened satellite communication, shielded transformers, emergency blackout protocols. Quiet, serious prep means the risk is real. They're not warning us, but they're preparing. Power grids could fail across entire continents. Satellites used for internet, GPS, timing will be gone. Hospitals, ATMs, banks will be crippled. Planes grounded mid-flight. Traffic systems fail. Military communications jammed. Nuclear plants? Risk of meltdown if cooling fails. In just minutes, we'd be thrown back 200 years, and no one would be coming to help. Some satellites can be shut down temporarily to avoid damage. The U.S. is hardening its grid slowly. Faraday cages, solar shielding, and blackout plans are in development. But most homes, cities, and countries still completely exposed. One solar flare could change life as we know it, and we wouldn't even see it coming. What should you do before the major solar storm? 1. Have an emergency power backup. 2. Protect important devices. 3. Download offline resources. 4. Prepare a 72-hour survival kit. 5. Stay informed. What should you do during the storm? 1. Unplug everything. 2. Use a battery-powered or crank radio. 3. Stay calm and stay put. What should you do after the storm? 1. Wait for official word before plugging in. 2. Share info with others offline. 3. Use minimal power. The next Carrington event isn't a matter of if, it's when. Subscribe to Mindzap-XO for the truth that no one's telling you. What would you do if the lights never came back on? Let us know in the comments. Stay aware. Stay prepared.